Mitosis. In this video, we will going to know about mitosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division in which one cell divides to form two daughter cells. Like this, one cell divides to form two daughter cells. And one thing you need to keep in mind that the chromosome number in each of the cell, in each of the newly formed cell will remain the same as the parent cell. If the parent cell has chromosome number 2n, then the daughter cell will also have 2n each. This is known as mitosis. Now we will going to see the process of mitosis. Mitosis occur in 4 stages. The stages of mitosis are known as prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. The first phase of mitosis is prophase. So first we will know about prophase. As you can see, in prophase, chromatin condense to form chromosomes. What happens in prophase is chromatin condense and it forms chromosome. Chromatin are the thread-like structure that are present in the nucleus of the cell. So in this diagram, this is the cell and this is the nucleus of the cell. So the chromatin thread-like structure present in the nucleus, they condense and form chromosomes. Chromosomes are X-shaped structures. Second, centriole arranged on each end of the cell. Second point in prophase says that the centriole arranged in each end of the cell. And third point, nuclear envelope disappears. The nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane starts disappearing. This is all about prophase. The second phase of mitosis is metaphase. In metaphase, what happens in metaphase? In metaphase, chromosome align in a straight line. In metaphase, chromosome aligns in a straight line. These X-shaped structure which are formed during the prophase, in metaphase they arranged in a straight line. And second, spindle fiber attached to the centromere. The spindle fibers are thread-like structure that are released from the centriole. These two centriole that are moved toward the each end of the cell, they release spindle fiber, and these spindle fiber attached to the centromere. So what is centromere? Centromere is a spherical shaped structure present between the chromosome. So it is a spherical structure that binds the chromatid of chromosome. So what happens in the metaphase is spindle fiber attached to the centromere. Third phase is anaphase. In anaphase, chromatids separates one of each part. What happens in anaphase is chromatids separate one of each part. Those chromosomes which are arranged in a straight line, now they will going to be separated. This is anaphase diagram. So as you can see, the chromatids are started separating and moving towards each end. This is known as anaphase. Chromatids separates one of each part and go toward the centriole on both ends. It will start moving towards the centriole. This is all about anaphase. The fourth phase and the last phase is telophase. What happens in telophase is that chromosomes uncoil and nuclear envelope reforms. As you can see on the diagram, this is the telophase diagram. What happens? The chromatid that move towards the end, they will now become uncoiled and the nuclear envelope reforms. The nuclear envelope will start reforming on each end of the cell, and this will result into two nucleus in one cell. After the telophase, cytokinesis occurs. Cytokinesis is division of the cytoplasm. So after the telophase, when the two nucleus are formed in the cell, the cytokinesis occurs and division of the cytoplasm and their organelles. So as you can see on the diagram, after two nucleuses are formed, the cytokinesis occurs. So the cytoplasm of the cell will also be divided and it will result into two daughter cells. So this is all about mitosis.